Today I'm wearing this, which is a recycled, it was a dress that I bought in a charity shop a few years back, and then I recycled it into, let me see if I can prop this against something to let you see. Prop it there against my guillotine. Will that hold? It's made into a blouse, a little bit on the short side. I tend to like my blouses a bit longer there, but that's fine. But the only problem is, it's flipping sunny, it's warm, and this is polyester. So I'm going to have to change into something else because I can't wear this much longer. And it's lunchtime. I'm going to go out. I've got some jobs that I've been doing. I'll show you what I've been doing. More medals. This lady is a teacher and she wants to give a medal to all the children. So I'm doing centres with all the kids' names on. Football team. Got those to finish off when I come back. Then I'm currently finishing off a plate that has to have people's names on, and I've got another one to do, and then I can get away because I want to post these at the same time. It is so warm today. I have changed into this. I'll show you. It's actually a Lacala pattern, which it's a Lacala pattern that I've downloaded. Used some really scrap fabric that I had left. I think it was just less than a metre that I had left from the purple shirt dress that I made. I was going to bin it or give it away or sell it, and then I thought, no, I'm going to make something with it. This was white and black fabric that I dyed purple, and this is what it's turned out like. Lacala pattern, great measurements. I did find that I had to lift this neck up though, because it's using my own measurements, but the problem is that the one measurement it doesn't ask you is from your nape of your neck down to your waist, and I'm kind of short there, and what I was finding is my bust line, this bust point, was further down, so I raised the neck, and it feels a lot more comfortable that way. I'm liking it. It's meant specially for fabric, rather for woven ones rather than jersey. I suppose I could use it for jersey as well, but it's much cooler than the other one. This is a little, I forgot I had this. I bought this years ago, and the only trouble was when I have long hair, which I didn't have very often, was that it kept slipping off. So what I found I did was, I've wrapped a piece of hair round and pulled it through to the front again on both sides. I don't know if you can see it there. That bit there. Oh, it's not working. It's not working on that side, but this side, don't know if you can see, I've wrapped a piece of hair round, and I'll have to do the same on this side. And basically get a piece like that and then pull it through there again, and that keeps it in place. So, yeah, I quite like wearing these scarves. I might start wearing these scarves a bit more. The trouble is, what I found yesterday was I didn't have anything, and my hair kept rubbing and tickling here, and I found I was scratching this area. So, and I don't think it does it any good, because that's the area where I've got a lot of the, what do you call it, those spots, the sunspot type things. What are they called? Can't remember. Anyway, so I thought I'd take my hair off my face and see if that makes a difference. She cut my fringe, but it's still quite long. It's getting in my eyes unless it's grown in a week. So I'm going to have to get the scissors out and cut that again. Anyway, I am off, and I shall be seeing you later. Well, I'm back, and I haven't spent much today, but I did see something that I've been wanting for a while, and I thought I'd treat myself. I'll let you see it. Well, I went to the range, which is a good place to go to because they sell a lot of stuff that's cheap and lots of crafty things. And so I caught my eye on this. Last week I saw this pack, doodle pen refills, 3D doodle pen refills. And I was thinking, ooh, I've been fancying that. I watch a lot of Instagram videos on that. And I quite fancied making some, but then I said, there's no pen. What do you do with a pen? And then this week, they have a 3D doodle pen. This was, and it's for 6+ years. So I figured a lot of the things I buy, I keep saying, this will be fine for when the grandkids come and I've got to give them something to occupy their time with. The girls I can do the sewing machine with, and I've got lots of crafty things, and I've got the dust clay. They were making earrings over the half term when they came. And here I can show them how to use the doodle art pen if needs be. But Grandma will be playing with it as well. Now then, look who's hiding under here because it's so hot today. Fast asleep. Fast asleep. It's very, very hot. It's warm. Probably not by some of the USA standards, but by our standards, it's warm. So I've come back, and the nice thing that I have when I'm warm is I have a cup of coffee. So I'm boiling the kettle. You might hear it in the background. Kettle's boiled. Gonna sit on the swing seat and enjoy my coffee. I've got you precariously balanced on my guillotine. If I don't crop this, there's a handle there. Anyway, I have received a package, and where I've just seen who it's from, just put a little stamp on it. I was watching your video the other day, and I never got a chance to comment about it. This is from Shari Knight. Shari lives in, where does she live? Nova Scotia, isn't it? Shari Knight, Canada. I think it's Nova Scotia. I might be wrong. I did go and have a look at where she lives because she lives in a lovely part of the country. But I'm going to have a look. She's mentioned what it is there, but I'm going to see what it is. Hang on. I might have to put you on pause. Shari sent me, I did a vlog last year, well, a couple of years ago I think it was, telling you how, now that's moved, just let me get you right there so that you haven't got that handle in the way and get you balanced like that. Stay, don't move. She sent me a lovely brooch, a lovely tartan scarf, Canadian tartan scarf, Nova Scotian scarf, and some lovely earrings, which I always keep for best, Shari. You don't often see me wearing them because they are for my best. And in here she has, what has she given me? Let's open the card first. The card is Micheline. And the card says, it's a Joyce Sneher Wyatt Laking. Joyce Sneher Wyatt Laking. And that's her. Obviously this is the lady who's done this. Joyce Sneher Joy Laking Gallery from Nova Scotia. Bass River, Nova Scotia, Canada. That's where they live. That's from the Joy Laking Gallery. Isn't it lovely? Beautiful that. We'll have to frame that as well. I shall frame that, Shari. And she says, Dear Micheline, hope this note finds you well. Just saying thank you for the pattern you sent. Very unexpected. And I sent you a little something a couple of months later. Enjoy your videos as always. I sent you a clasp for handbags. It took me a while to get it to open. I'm going to try to use mine on a leather purse. I would like to make from a recycled coat. I'm sure you'll find a use for it. Take care, Shari. So she has included a clasp, a handbag clasp. And another thing, what does this say? And there you have it. I ran out of room with my big sprawling pen scratch. Lastly, I sent you a hat that I made. I made it for my hat series of videos on my channel. Yes, Shari has she's got a channel. I have mentioned it before. Not many subscribers, so if you do want to go along and see what she does, she makes some lovely things, and she's been making hats. I did dip in and out, Shari, but we have been so busy since lockdown finished. Been so busy. I did catch a little glimpse of you the other day. You were telling me that you're doing a collaboration with someone, with another girl, and I watched a little bit of it, and then his lordship said, oi, because what I do is I do it while he's doing something. I'm kind of looking at my phone, quickly looking through the videos, and then they say, come on, we've got these to do. So, oh, all right, I'll just forget about that one and move on. Anyway, I thought you would like this, but then again, you may not. I thought I would send it anyway. Hope you have fun wearing it. The experiment was to see if it was really waterproof. It's called Hat Series number 4, Testing Oddicoat. All right. It was a lot of fun making some rain hats. I knew you used the product and always wanted to try it. Right now I'm making makeup bags, and you guessed it, I'm using Oddicoat. She was watching the video that I said about Oddicoat, how you could use Oddicoat. I put a link up there to Shari's hat vlog, and from there you can see the other ones that she's done. So let's have a look at this hat. Wrapped up in yellow tissue. Oh, wow. That is a lovely sun hat. Look at this. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? Get it all unsquashed. Oh, that's lovely colours. Aren't they gorgeous colours? Now, she's done a good job. Now, I'm not sure which way you would wear it. So, would you wear it? I'm going to have to watch your vlogs, Shari, to see whether it's got to be in a cross seam one or a long seam one. I'll try the cross seam. Hopefully my hairband won't spoil it. And there we go. Oh, this is lovely. I like that. That is really nice. I'll press it open to get rid of the squashed bits. That's really nice. Can you see it? Even better if I put my sunglasses on, because you would wear it when you're out in the sun, wouldn't you? Hang on. So there you go. Me with my hat and my sunglasses. It's lovely. I like this. I do like this. And it fits really well. Really good fit. I've got a lump up there. Oh, that's my scarf. I was thinking, I didn't see a lump in the hat before, but I can feel the lump and it's my scarf. It's that bit there. So that is absolutely gorgeous. That would be lovely for, and she's Oddicoated it. And apart from the fact that I can feel the difference, because if I feel the inside, that's a soft canvas and that's got a firmer feel to it. You wouldn't know it had been Oddicoated, waterproof. So you could have it any time. You could use it any time in any weather. That is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I'm going to have to zoom across to your channel to watch your hat making, Shari. And she's lined it. Look at the inside. Look at how beautifully she has lined it with this Petersham and with the pale blue inside. Gorgeous, really nice. She's done a wonderful, wonderful job. Thank you very much, Shari. Now, let's have a look at this clasp that she's talking about. It's all wrapped up as well. And it's heavy. A very heavy one. Wow. Oh, that's rather nice. I haven't had this one. I haven't seen this one before. This one, look at that. Now, how do you open it? Do you press the button? Press the button and pull it out. That goes into your fabric there. and this half bit would go down, and you have to press the button, I think. What you do is you press the bottom half and the top half slides out like that. Like that, see? Press it and it slides out. That's rather neat. So you've got to clip, that one goes in the bottom of your bag. This bit goes on the lip of your bag, on the lid, on the flap. And then when you want to open it, the fabric's in there like that. You press that and pull this out. You would get a hold of the flap and pull it up. Very good. That's an unusual one, that. Yeah, excellent. Thank you very much, Shari. So I'm going to have to find a nice bag pattern to make that with. And then I've got my hat to go out in the sunshine with. Aren't I a lucky girl? Thank you very much, Shari. It was most unexpected. So what I'll do, as I've said before, I'll put the link up there to Shari's hat making site and to Shari's vlogs, and you can pop along and have a look at them and see what you think. I got it wrong, and this is the way I should wear it. It's lovely. It's really, really nice. Pair of glasses for the sunshine, and we are good to go. Very nice. My kind of colours. Very nice. I'm looking at myself, but I should be looking there. Very nice. It's my kind of colours.